I've got a bit of a problem. I've got a touch of ADD. And that leads me to record behind my back. And sometimes I jump from one project to another. And sometimes I lose track of the project. And that leads to unfinished projects and piles of stuff on benches, and many of them go unfinished. It's a problem, but I'm working on it. To solve that, I'm going to make a dry erase board. That way I can list the projects I'm working on and put a note on where I am in the project. But first, I need to make some French cleats to hang it on. Let's just do this. Out of that sheet of plywood, I got 5 4-inch strips and one strip that's only 3 3/4. Each 4-inch strip will give me 2 French cleats. Out of 3 3/4, I can get one that's the correct size and one that's a little bit shorter. And I can use that for the hanger side because the size doesn't matter as much. Shut up! I can still use the shorter ones for hangers because the size doesn't matter as much. In order to get the fence set up so that the 45-degree angle cut goes directly through the center of the board so you get 2 equal sized pieces, it takes a little trigonometry.
Math?
Just kidding. I cheated. I used Fusion 360. Dead on. In case you're wondering, 1.557 for this wood and this blade. If you have a different blade and your wood is different, which most likely it will be, your measurement is going to be different. Let's see if all that work paid off. It's back to back, and they are almost identical. Less than a millimeter off, which is good enough for me. I've got this piece of dry erase laminate left over. It's about 49 inches by 39 inches or so. As you can see, it got wet, and this end curled over. I might be able to flatten it out, but if I have to cut it down shorter, maybe I can get 33 inches out of it or so. But we'll start with a 48 by 39. I'm going to use this light that I made to set up the height of the next run. That way it's exactly the same as the previous ones that I've done. Oh yeah. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to help out this channel, please like and subscribe. And you could also now join the channel as a member. Just click the join button. I'll try and make some extra content for members once I get some. Thanks for watching.